Hey everyone, okay, so today we are going to be reviewing and swatching, well, we're swatching these products here. These are from Hourglass and it is their new, ooh, look how pretty that is. Little turn up lipsticks. I've got 4 shades here. I know nothing about these except for the fact that I'm absolutely going to try them as blusher. As you know the drill, I can't be putting them on my lips, I just can't. So I'll do swatches here for you. This one is 110. Oh, these are these a gloss? These are definitely that hybrid. Are these a gloss? These are definitely a hybrid. If they're not a gloss, they are definitely a hybrid. Wow, I did not know that. This is shade 100. This is quite a deep one by the look of it. Look at that beauty. Can you even see that? Honest to Betsy's. Oh, hello, neutral. That's a lovely brown kind of nude lip. Let's see what the other 2 are here. We've got 130. Oh, sexy deep vixen shade here, I believe. I'll be the judge of that. Yep. I don't know which one to try now for a little cream blusher. Probably this one. This is 120. These are so pretty. Wow. Let's try that one here. Look at that reflection. I'm going to try this on my cheek. So this is 120. I'm going to blend this out with a sponge. Let's just see what it looks like. These have to be a gloss. They've got to be a gloss. I don't know. That looks super nice though. I think you wouldn't need a highlighter because you've got that. I mean, I'm saying you wouldn't need a highlighter. Half of you will be using a highlighter. But I wouldn't be using a highlighter myself. But I'm old. What can I say? That's actually very pretty. That's very, very nice. Oh, do you know what? Sod it. Let's put a bit so you can see. They're ultra sheer. I really like this. That is get ready in the morning, quick, done. That's 120. 120. Beautiful. You could almost, I reckon if I was to blot that, I could probably get away with it. That is lovely. Lovely. I don't know how long these are going to last. I love Hourglass. I don't know how long they're going to last. But that is beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Links down there for everyone that's rich. Bye-bye.